New at 4, some high winds take down pieces of a pedestrian walkway and put the brakes on a limo driver's business.
CBS 2's Noel Brennan is live from the Hyatt Regency at McCormick Place. Noel, sounds like the limo driver is okay, but his car is not.
Right, Jim. So the walkway connecting the hotel to the convention center, it's back open right now, and there are cars passing underneath, but you can see there's yellow caution tape stuck in the trees, and there are panels missing from the underside of that bridge. Last night, a limo driver was in the wrong place at the wrong time when strong winds brought down debris. So Munir Al-Shamali shared these pictures of his 2018 Cadillac with us. The car he used for his limo business cost him $35,000, and now it's pretty much worthless, just sitting in a body shop, needing a bunch of repairs. Munir says he was dropping off 3 passengers last night at the Hyatt Regency Hotel at McCormick Place. Right as he passed underneath the pedestrian walkway, debris came down.
It's all coming in my head, but I don't see anything. I say, what's going on? It hit my car in the top, bumpers, trunk, tail lights, the core panel, it's all gone. The glasses are broken.
A spokesperson for McCormick Place blames the damage on, quote, exceptionally high winds. A check of the weather shows gusts topped 40 miles per hour last night. The spokesperson says the area was immediately blocked off. Crews removed all that debris and secured the area. Munir right now is out of a job. A spokesperson for McCormick Place says its insurance carrier is working with him. Reporting live from McCormick Place, Noel Brennan, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Noel.